Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you the location of the spare tire and spare tire toolkit. This video will apply to third generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so you want to open the liftgate and the spare tire will be located under this cover. To remove the cover, you want to gently pull it over yourself and then up. And here is your spare tire. And the spare tire toolkit will be behind this cover in the left quarter panel. You'll have two black clips. You just want to unclip it and open this small door. And you will see the jack and the tools here. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.